It really is all about Truly Free. Truly Free cleaning products. You guys are in for a great show today. Hi there, I'm Angela Brown. This is Ask a House Cleaner, and we're also streaming live today to our Airbnb show, Turnover Cleaning Tips. So I'm super excited about our guest today, Maria Mooney, and she is the marketing director over at Truly Free Products. It's a company that started back in 2008, right about the time that all of us became really aware that there was a better way to clean. So I'm really excited about the Truly Free cleaning products that we're going to learn about today. So please help me welcome Maria Mooney.
Hi, everyone. Thanks for having me today, Angela.
Well, I started my cleaning company way back when, and I didn't know any better. And so I thought
Hmm.
the more color was in the cleaning solution, the better a job it was going to do.
Hmm.
And I thought the stronger the smell of the
Yeah,
chemical, the more
exactly.
powerful it was going to
Yeah.
be and the better job it was going to do. And I made all
Mhm.
the mistakes. And I didn't know at the time that really clean didn't have a smell and that I was
Hmm.
looking for non-fragranced, non-perfumed cleaning
Yeah.
solutions. And just because it didn't have a color didn't mean it was not effective.
Hmm.
And I find myself now, and maybe this is the, I don't know, mature version of myself, but now I'm looking for products that don't have colors and don't have fragrances. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
And
exactly.
we've got so many products that have been proven over and over again that they're just as effective. Tell us about the truly free products. How effective are they and how do we know?
Yeah. When we look to develop our products, we really work with green chemistry. We work with like minded labs that come up with eco conscious ingredients. We're very selective about the products and the ingredients that we're putting into our products. So it's very simple. There's many things I love about Truly Free, but I would say the transparency. We're very transparent about our ingredients. We actually have it listed on our website. It's actually up against like environmental working groups ratings. So you can go onto our site, you can look up any ingredient and you can learn about it. And I think that's really something that we pride ourselves on is education. How do you know if it's effective, right? How do you know it's going to do the job that you want it to do? And I think everyone has an expectation of, they want it to clean as well as a conventional product, and it should, right? We do a lot of testing. We're very particular about the ingredients that we put in, and we keep it simple. They're ingredients that you can read. They're ingredients that you can understand and you can research and you can explain why they work well. How do they treat the water? How do they remove stains? We have a quadrasalt technology that's in our laundry. That's a patented formula that's 4 salts, and they work together to remove stains, to treat the water, to not have your stain get redeposited onto another. We talk about grease stains. It's like, I washed those jeans. How did this grease stain get on this shirt? It wasn't even supposed to be there. So we've done all of that to where that's what makes them effective. It's really the quality ingredients, how they work together, and the rigorous testing that we do. I mean, it is not like we come up with an idea, we launch a product in 2 weeks. It takes us sometimes years to get it right. We've been perfecting a toilet bowl product for a long time and we're not quite there yet. And we're like, it's not ready. We got to keep going back to the drawing board and get it just right. So there's a lot of testing that takes place in order to do that.
So I would
Mhm.
imagine there's a lot of testing that takes place in order to
Yep.
take a liquid product and put it as a powdered product.
Yep.
And then when you reconstitute it, it becomes a product that is still stable and still
Hmm.
is as effective. That sounds like a really
Absolutely.
fascinating concept to me, but I
Yeah.
think we're moving to that as like a new norm. And the
Hmm.
reason I say that, this is kind of off topic, but I keep this handy because it's interesting. This little jug right here is windshield fluid. And my
Wow.
husband said, "Here's your windshield fluid." And I was like, "But I need more than
Tiny.
that." And he goes, "No, no, no,
Yeah.
this is a concentrate." He said, "They're not selling the big jugs of it anymore. They're just selling the little tiny concentrates." And I
Wow.
was like, "Whoa, that's the era that we're in right now.
Yeah.
To buy your cleaning supplies in a powdered bag. Can you imagine
Hmm.
the storage of that? Instead of cleaning organizations that have cabinets full of jugs of
Hmm.
stuff, can you imagine having just packets? And
Yeah.
how that would change inventory. Where as a
Hmm.
professional cleaner, we do inventory every single night to make sure that we have everything all packed and ready to go. But what
Hmm.
if you could mix stuff up on the fly if need be? And you're
Yeah.
just mixing it up as you need it, and it's in a dry packet until you do.
Yep. That makes a lot of sense.
So tell me, for
Amazing.
our Airbnb owners that are doing laundry, is this stuff safe on whites and linens like bedding and pillows and all that kind of stuff?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah. It's safe for all of that. It's very gentle. Their laundry wash is designed that it doesn't leave any residue. It washes away clean. It smells amazing. It's perfect for bedding, for towels, for laundry, for sheets, whitening. I love the smell so much that sometimes I won't even dry a comforter. I'll literally, and I know you can't always do that in the professional world, but I'll throw it over like a railing in my house and you
Mhm.
literally can smell like this beautiful light scent, but it's almost like having a natural space freshener in your house that smells so good. So yeah, it definitely works and brightens very well.
So is it a
Yeah.
natural fragrance? Like, how does that work?
We use plant-based oils like a eucalyptus, there's a lavender scent, and they're all essential oils that are mixed in to create what is called our signature scent. So yeah, there's not like synthetics.
I wanna say thank you so much for coming on the show. This was really awesome. I just really appreciate it.
Awesome. Thank you so much for having me. We really appreciate it.
Is there anything you wanna leave with us before we close today?
Thank you everyone for the time and really taking the time to learn about this and anything we can do to help. We're always here to serve you. So thank you again. Really appreciate it.
Thank you so much, and thank you, Truly Free.